How to create 11 labs account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can create 11 labs account. Kindly watch till the end, right? The first step is to open up your browser, and once you're in your browser's page, in the search box, just go ahead and type 11 labs, right, and search for it. And then after clicking on the search icon, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see a number of blog posts. Ensure you select the first one, which says 11 labs free text speech etc. And so once you're on this home page, you can see a heading which says create this most realistic speech with our AI audio platform. Then you can see the option get started with for free or try a sample. Just go ahead and click get started free. And once you've done that, you will be taken to the sign up page. Once you're on this page, you can see some options on how you can sign up. You can decide to sign up with Google, or you can decide to sign up with your email. To sign up with Google, just click on sign up with Google, and a mini page will be displayed on the home screen. And once this page is displayed, you would see your Google accounts that have been synced to your website. So you select the Google accounts that you would like to register with. Then click on continue and wait for the page to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be taken to the onboarding page. And on this page, the next step is for you to enter in your first name. Just go ahead and do that as fast as you can. Then select an option of how you add about 11 laps. Just go ahead and do that. Then move to the bottom right corner and click on next. You can decide to skip this process if you want to, but it's best for you to customize your profile on 11 laps. So now, what do you want to use 11 laps for? Just go ahead and select it. Okay, just go ahead, depending on what you would like to do. And so once you selected the reason, scroll down and select on that reason, and then your account will be set up. Just like that, your account on 11 labs would be created. So this is how we go about it. This is how to do it. As you can see, my account has been created, and I can go ahead to use this account the way I want. So this is how you can create an 11 labs account. So go ahead and try this out. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.